Hey everyone, welcome back. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels Walmart Zamacs and a Target Red Editions. The Red Editions drop will be in mixed J case and a Zamacs will be in mixed K case. The cars in this set are a 1994 Audi Avant RS2, a 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, a Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0, a lay-in lowrider, and a Land Rover Series 2. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels NFT car, a Nissan Skyline C210. Another new Hot Wheels NFT Series 9 car is a Zamac Range Rover. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels 2024 Philippines Convention, a exclusive Brendon Vetuskey dinner car, a 1955 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, will be on stock on August 30th and 31st. Only 100 lucky collectors will get their hands on this very limited souvenir car, the LUZVIMINDA Gasser. Now let's check out a Hot Wheels Dollar Tree exclusive cars. A 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. A 1987 Dodge D100. A Mazda RX-7. And a Mod Rod. The all-new Hot Wheels Batman 85th Anniversary set in a commemorative packaging. Now let's check out some new upcoming models by tarmacworks. Introducing the newest Hobby 64 Plus tooling, and it's another rally legend. The Ford RS200 1:64 scale version features a removable rear bonnet with a detailed engine and a rear suspension. Pre-order has already been started. The wait is almost over. So here's the Hello Kitty x tarmacworks Audi R8 LMS Evo 2. Macau Grand Prix race version is now available for pre-ordering. Are very excited to announce this brand new Truck 64 tooling, the Mitsubishi Fuso Canter mobile display truck. Introducing the flagship sedan by Mercedes-Benz, the S55 AMG. So here's a Global 64 version in a 1:64 scale model. Pre-order has already been started. A GCD Models presents a Volkswagen Sochiro racing version. Color of the cars are white, blue and yellow. Limited up to 600 each color. Made from die-cast. Releasing this month. A Cars Lounge Models presents a Ferrari 488 GTB. Color of the cars are red, blue, grey and white. Limited up to 399 each color. Made from resin. Releasing on September 2024. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. And the last model for today's episode is by More Art, presents a mountain road scene model, releasing on August 2024. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.